In today's video, I'm going to teach you how does Costco car insurance cover rental cars. If you're renting a car, one of the most common questions is whether your Costco related auto insurance will cover that rental, or whether you need to buy the rental company's insurance at the counter. This can be confusing, so let's make it simple and clear. The first thing to understand is that Costco does not directly sell car insurance itself. Instead, eligible Costco members may have access to auto insurance through an insurance partner. That means coverage is based on the specific insurance policy you purchased, not just on the fact that you're a Costco member. So membership alone does not automatically mean your rental car is covered. To figure out whether a rental car is covered, the most important step is to check your personal auto insurance policy. If your policy includes rental car coverage, that protection may extend to a rental vehicle used for personal travel. In many cases, liability, collision, and comprehensive coverage can carry over to the rental car, but that depends on your policy limits, your deductible, and any exclusions written into the policy. It also usually only applies if the rental meets the conditions outlined by your insurer. Depending on your policy, coverage may include damage to the rental vehicle if collision or comprehensive extends to rentals. It may also include liability coverage if you cause damage to someone else's property or injuries to others. If your policy includes certain injury protections, those may apply as well. Theft or vandalism may also be covered if your comprehensive coverage applies to the rental. At the same time, there are some things that may not be covered. Common exclusions can include loss of use fees that the rental company charges while the car is being repaired, along with administrative or processing fees. Coverage may also exclude exotic, luxury, or specialty vehicles. Commercial use is another common exclusion, and some policies do not cover rentals outside the geographic area listed in the policy or rentals that go beyond the maximum covered rental period. Another smart thing to check is your credit card benefits. Some credit cards offer rental car protection when you pay for the rental with that card and meet the card's terms. In some cases, this coverage is secondary, while with certain cards it may be primary, so it's worth verifying before your trip. Before you decline the rental company's insurance, review your auto policy carefully, confirm that rental vehicles are covered, ask about deductibles and exclusions, and check whether your credit card includes rental coverage. Then decide whether the rental company's collision damage waiver or loss damage waiver makes sense for your situation. The bottom line is that Costco membership alone does not guarantee rental car coverage. Whether you're covered depends on the policy you have through the insurance partner, if applicable, and any extra protection offered by your credit card. Reviewing everything before you travel can help you avoid unexpected costs and make a more confident decision.